Hi everyone, it's Vivek Shah here, and today, guess what? We will be discussing chapter 5 of The Power of the Subconscious Mind, that is, mental healing in modern times. So, basically, what we understood through mental healing procedure is that a few steps assigned to us either by a doctor or an expert, and by performing those steps, one will be able to heal oneself mentally. But is it so? Does it actually help? According to the author, mental healing can be only done when your subconscious directs you to be healed mentally, or rather, to be closer, your subconscious mind knows that you are healing mentally. Surprised, but that's the book claims, and that's why it is all about power of subconscious mind. The one process of healing is faith. What you believe to be true is true. That's the game. And the law of belief says it is foolish to believe that something might harm you, because as you train your subconscious mind and the belief system, so shall happen to you. The prayer therapy is a combination of subconscious, conscious, and scientific healing procedure. What is amazing is that when we sit down to prayer, we give no place to negative thoughts. We call all hopes and positivity, and there's no place for negativity. And when we are healed inside, the outcome is always positive and according to our hope. Now, we often end up saying that a person is involved in blind faith, and we hardly realize that the blind faith is not a casual ignorance. In fact, the person having a blind faith is actually fortunate enough. Surprised, right? And you don't understand how it that works, right? The author says that the faith healer is one who heals without any real scientific understanding of the power and the forces involved. He may claim that he has a specific gift of healing, and the sick person's blind faith in him or his power may bring results. So, any method which initially makes you move from fear and worry to faith and hope will heal you. The author was asked by a man how he got healed through a subconscious mind. The explanation is very simple. The man was to claimed by the soothing words and was asked to get into a perfectly passive condition where he said nothing, thoughts of nothing, and his subconscious mind also became peaceful and quiet. He felt immense relief and was restored to health. So always remember to pray for your loved ones who may be ill. Calm your thoughts and mind and portray thoughts of health, vitality, and perfection operating through the universal subjective mind. The same will be left and restorated in the mind of your loved ones. By this, we come to the end of chapter 5. Thank you so much for listening and hope to see you in the next chapter.
Hi RR, I hope you must have liked our initiative of chapter wise explanation of diverse novels. Thank you guys for all your love and support as we hit our first 300 plus subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to stay updated for the videos we upload on every Saturday and Sunday at 7 pm. Thank you and have a good day.